In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Ps5 controller showing Xbox buttons. If your PlayStation symbols are showing up as A, B, X, and Y, this guide will walk you through the exact settings to get triangle, circle, square, and cross appearing as they should. Start by opening the Steam app on your PC and signing in. At the top left, click the Steam menu and choose Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Controller section. Here's the key part: make sure PlayStation configuration support is enabled. This tells Steam to properly recognize your Ps5 controller as a PlayStation device rather than treating it like a generic gamepad. Once this is on, many games will automatically switch to PlayStation button prompts. Next, let's address games that still show Xbox icons. Go to your Steam library and find the game that's giving you the wrong prompts. Right-click the game, select Properties, and open the Controller tab. Look for the Steam Input per Game setting. Change this to Forced Off, or disable Steam Input for that specific game. What this does is stop Steam from translating your controller into an Xbox-style layout, which is often the reason those A, B, X, Y buttons appear. By turning it off per game, you keep full control without affecting your settings for other titles. If you're still seeing the wrong buttons, try launching the game through Steam's Big Picture mode. Big Picture mode is designed for controllers and can resolve inconsistencies in how inputs are detected. It provides a more console-like environment where Steam's controller support is applied cleanly, which can help the game pick up the correct PlayStation prompts. After making these changes, restart Steam to make sure everything refreshes. Then relaunch the game. At this point, your Ps5 controller should display the correct PlayStation buttons on screen. You should see triangle, circle, square, and cross instead of Xbox's A, B, X, and Y. A quick recap: enable PlayStation configuration support in Steam's controller settings, adjust the per game controller setting to Forced Off if a specific game still shows Xbox buttons, try Big Picture mode if needed, then restart Steam and launch the game again. These steps work together to ensure Steam recognizes your controller correctly and stops emulating an Xbox layout where you don't want it. That's it for this fix. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.